Hello everyone, we have Shamsuddin today with us and he has fly down from Nigeria to India specifically to learn cybersecurity and we'll be having a small discussion with Shamsuddin why he's here and why he considers cybersecurity as uh, one of the career which is very good and why he choose to be into cybersecurity. Hello Shamsuddin, how are you?
I'm fine,
Welcome
sir.
to Craw Security, welcome to India.
Thank you, sir.
So we do such kind of sessions to know about students who fly from different places and people who got normally get placed into companies.
Yes, sir.
So I just wanted to know what is your aspiration? Why you came down from Nigeria to India to do this course?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you once again. I'm happy to see you again. You know, I get to know about Craw on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I make a deep research on Craw, what they offer, what they did. So pending when I have interest.
Okay.
So I come down from Nigeria to Craw to enroll for certified ethical hacking, where I see a big, like, Craw is a big institution in India. I learned many things, like in the certified ethical hacking, they have enough trainers. If I did not understand this, they will assign another trainer to me. So I have learned a lot based on the courses they are offering and based on the student. There's number of cybersecurity in India, but Craw is the best. I see the potentiality on Craw. That's why I intended to come for this 1 year diploma to become an expert in cybersecurity.
Actually, what push was given to you?
Okay, actually, I'm Nigerian Army, and my boss supported me.
Okay.
Yeah, and what motivated me is during my undergraduate, with my friend, we are discussing after undergraduate, which course I will go for my MSc. So that time I don't have anything to say. So he told me that he's going for cybersecurity.
Okay.
So unfortunately, he that told me he will go on cybersecurity, he did not go on cybersecurity. But me, I'm into cybersecurity.
Okay.
And with my boss support, with his coursemate, which is General J.S. Abdullahi, they all supported me to see that my journey in cybersecurity is fulfilled.
Okay. Yeah. Before we continue further, just wanted to know a bit about your last experience. You are coming second time for a course, right?
Yes.
So first time you came for which course and when did you came?
I came for certified ethical hacking, which is CH version 12 with AI, powered by AI.
Okay, version 13 powered by AI.
Yes, the version 13 powered by AI.
So you got certified?
Yes, I'm certified.
Okay, perfect. So how was the exam experience? What did you learn in your CEH V13 exam? Was it a practical exam?
It's practical.
Okay, okay.
Actually, I've learned a lot. If I said I did not learn from Craw, I lie. Because Karansa, he really tried for me. Like when we come to system hacking, he used different methods. And also when we went to social engineering, we use SET, social engineering toolkit, and we also use some built-in like Zspisha and so many things. And all after we come wireless hacking, we use different tools for the wireless hacking. We use the Kali, normal built-in Kali. We use that one, and we still bring another tools for testing. I like they are based on practical Craw.
Okay. So when you started your CEH and before the CEH, what change? What is the real change you can feel in yourself before coming here and right now? What is the real change you can feel from inside about cybersecurity or inside about your own thing?
No, actually, there's change, many change, because as I went back to Nigeria after my CH, many people are sending me links. Once I see the links, I'll just laugh. Then I will educate him. This is a phishing link. Don't click. And if you click, don't provide your information, like your sensitive information, credit card number, username, password, and so on. Because, you know, and on that my CH, we have talked about the cyber kill change. once a hacker like try to hack a person, first he will research about the person.
Yes.
After he research, that another step where delivery, so they can use that phishing to get what they want, and they can even use the phishing to deliver like spyware. You don't know, by clicking that link, that hacker will be spying on you. So I learned a lot. I learned a lot. That's why I come back to Craw to be experts in the world, not in only Nigeria.
Okay. So this time you've come up with this 1 year course, right?
Yes.
So what motivated you to get into 1 year? Because you did CEH before. Now 1 year, why? Is it something different? Is this course having something different? I know, like, I wanted you to express, according to you, what do you feel that 1 year will teach you more apart from CH?
Yes, you see, in this 1 year course, there are so many courses, almost 12 courses from networking, Linux, and Python. This is the beginner level. This is basic level. If you are novice, if you come for this 1 year course, you will be expert.
Okay.
After the basic, you come for the ethical hacking, which I have done it already. Then you come for advanced penetration testing. Then you come to cyber forensic investigator. You see, only with that cyber forensic investigation, that you are expert on that, you are okay. Then after that cyber forensic investigation, we have web application security, mobile application.
Security.
You understand?
Yes.
So all this, after mobile application security, there is Internet of Things pen test.
Yes.
So now, like our remotes, all these Internet of Things.
Yes,
IoT. You can use that one with only that IoT. If you observe, you study, this world is changing every day. We are moving forward. Everything is connected. So after that one, endpoint security, like in an organization, you can set like the security of your organization. As you explained.
You feel endpoint security is a good course for you?
It's a good course. Very good course.
Okay.
Very good course.
Well, why you consider it as a good course? Anything special in that?
No, based on the name, even our mobile phone, laptop, all their endpoint. So how can we secure this endpoint?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So every organization nowadays has to secure their endpoints, right? Mobile, laptops. So endpoint security teaches you more about securing those endpoints from where the data breaches can happen.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, what do you feel like in coming years AI is gonna impact? Is there any fear that people will be losing jobs into cybersecurity because of AI, or people will be learning cybersecurity and adding AI as a career?
Yeah, AI is good, but if you are expert in cybersecurity, you will never lose your job, unless you are not expert. Because it's human that create the AI.
Yes.
So if you are expert in the field, which is the cybersecurity, you will never lose your job.
Okay.
That's why I choose this cybersecurity as my
So in your CEH, which topic you found, was most liked by you? Like, why? Which topic actually you feel like this is one of the best topic I can think of in CEH?
Actually, it's all.
All.
Yes.
Okay. Any specific one which has more weightage or more
system hacking?
System hacking.
Yes.
So you are interested in hacking into the system?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before we continue further, like, tell me something about your country, like the Nigeria, from where you have been. What kind of why exactly cybersecurity is needed as far as you have came from Nigeria, and why you will be taking all these knowledge to Nigeria? How you will be putting those knowledge at your place?
No, actually, the Nigeria, we have a cybersecurity instructor, and there's one of my friend that is in India. He's the one that motivated me to come Craw.
Okay.
He's the one that motivated me because he have asked about Craw. He studied in one university here in India, so he recommend Craw for me. And all after that, I do my research. I also see the potential of Craw based on what he told me, and actually I learned a lot. And after my CH, when I go back, I have educated many of my friends, my colleagues, my family members. based on the current cyber attack that is going. Mostly is on phishing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So are they? There are a lot of scams going on with cyber frauds going on. Do you feel like when you learn all those things, this is going to help you and your people to secure from such kind of cyber frauds happening? So what kind of common cyber frauds you normally see in Nigeria? Because we have some frauds going on in India also related to cyber attacks, some loan fraud, some. What kind of cyber frauds you normally see in Nigeria?
Actually, it's phishing.
Phishing.
Yes, it's
Okay.
phishing.
So
And
any
also
kind of,
social engineering.
okay.
Yes, phishing and social engineering are the most common cyber attack in Nigeria.
Okay. So and like financial crime. Let's talk about financial crime. So anything related to money or scams with money related with cyber attacks or cyber hackers are doing scams with money like cyber fraud or something like that with
Yeah.
bank or something.
Yes, the financial fraud is less than the individual.
Okay.
Yes, it's less than the individual.
Hmm.
Like for financial, all this bank is less
Okay.
compared to individual.
So, do you feel like the banks, all these banks, all these financial institutions need to have security in place in their online banking or in their websites or mobile app? So, do you feel like once you complete your CA, once you complete your all these levels of cybersecurity, you'll be good with securing those web applications and mobile applications in your country?
Definitely, I will do that.
You will be doing it.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
And why you what do you think about the like the last time you came? Okay, at Craw. Who was your trainer actually?
The first one is Mohis Samwarwa.
Okay.
After we have done,
Yeah.
I asked my counselor, which is
Who is the counselor?
Bablima.
Okay.
So I asked her, I need additional practical.
Okay.
And during that time, I don't want to see you.
Okay.
Because once I see you, you say, Shamsuddin, how are you? I say, I'm good. So how far? Which module are you? Once I tell you, give me assignment.
Okay.
So I don't want to see you that time.
Okay.
But all after, I enjoy the assignment that you have been giving me. So definitely you have tried for me. And the Mohis Sambarwa, Karansa, they are very good. So all after my CH, you add additional bonus, which is SOC and which is Nihama. Nihama
So tell me something about SOC. Why SOC? Why is SOC important now? Let's talk about SOC is Security Operations Center, right?
Yes.
So why is SOC important nowadays?
You know, in every organization or in the cybersecurity, we have defensive and offensive cybersecurity. So in organization, you must have a SOC team for your organization to be secured and everything move fine.
Which like do you like offensive or the defensive part of security? Red teaming or blue teaming? Which one you choose?
Red teaming.
Why you want to ask? Why you choose red teaming?
You know, if like you study something, like if I study this thing will harm me, so I will try to avoid to protect myself from harming me. That's why I like offensive.
Okay. So this was one of our discussion with Shamsuddin, and Shamsuddin has actually told us a lot of things about how he started the career, how he went into cybersecurity, and a lot of things are about to come into cybersecurity for Shamsuddin. And we wish that he learns a lot of things at Craw Security, and more and more of power to him. And any kind of assistance you need from our side, Shamsuddin, we will be always helping you out throughout your career.
Thank you,
And
sir.
we wish you best of luck
Thank you,
for coming and doing this course
Thank you, sir.
in India at Craw Security. And
Thank
we
you,
wish we provide you best services
Thank you,
throughout this journey.
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
And this was our small session, small like words with Shamshuddin. We will be always keen to have such kind of sessions with people traveling from different places and people who are getting placed every day. So if you like this video, if you have learned something from this video, please share this video with everyone. If you are on YouTube, if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can just check out the comment section, check out the description section of this video. Shamshuddin profile will be added to that description part, so you can connect with Shamshuddin on his LinkedIn account and take a guidance from him also. So till then, next video, take care everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.